everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So this video is going to be a Christmas haul. I'm going to share with you all some items I recently purchased for the Hearth-room, which is the area I'm sitting in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Item I want to share with you all is this pillow. This is pretty much the highlight of the area. It's kind of a mint green as well as a Tiffany blue mix up, but it looks closer to the mint green. I got it from Home Goods. It was $25. It does have a zipper, so I will be changing this insert because it's so solid. All right, so we'll put that back. The next item that I want to share is these ornaments. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were regular price $20. Of course, Hobby Lobby have their sale, so I paid $10. It has 3 different textures. It has the glitter, the matte, and the shiny mint green. So these were $10. I believe it's about 48 of those in here, 48 or 50. I also got another set because I needed the bronze looking color or brown bronze looking color that's in it for the other room, but I needed this Celeste or Tiffany blue looking color for this room. Those are the colors that I'll be using out of here, and they were $20, $10 with the sale at Hobby Lobby as well. Now those are the small balls. I think those are this size. Just so you know, the size of these are on them, and they are 50 by 60 millimeters. So these are the silver ones, and they have 3 different textures in them. They are $30, but of course with the sale $15. I just got one of these. They're the silver. They are shatterproof, so I do prefer shatterproof ornaments. So that's that. Now these, I got 2 of these. So I'm going to do some garland as well as for the tree and maybe in a few trays. So I needed a little bit more of those. I also got these, which they are glass, yes. So I'm going to be really careful with these, but I needed the really small ones in this color, and they were $5 for the sale price. And it has, yeah, it's just listed as green. And I got these from Hobby Lobby as well. So these were $5. I purchased different size ornaments. That's how you get a really nice flowing tree. So it's best to kind of mix up your sizes as well as your texture. The other thing I got was these. Now these are glass. They have a worn look, I would say, or maybe an antique look about them. And they were from Home Goods for $12.99, and it's only a set of 12. But they're really, really pretty and unique. So that's what I like about those. All right, any more ornaments? Okay, so I also got these vase fillers. They're the gray or silver and gold. They're going to go in here as well. They were $1 at Dollar Tree. These I just wanted to show you. If you haven't seen my other video, I did get these and share them in another haul, just so you can kind of see these colors kind of going together. So that's kind of where I'm going with the colors. So here is another piece that I got from Home Goods. I've seen these at every Home Goods I went to. This one has the flock garland on it with a little bit of the green and the gray and some silver. So it has all of the colors that I'm working with in this space. If this was $30 at Home Goods, So I'm going to use it on the fireplace or maybe even the table. And it's made by Balsam Fur Trading Company. I don't know if you saw this in the bedroom that I did, but I didn't share it in a haul. I did purchase 2 of these in the silver and 1 in the white. I also got 2 gold ones. I'll show you in that haul, but they're really pretty. I don't know if you can see the glitter on camera. I'll show you a closer up picture of this as well. And it was $12.99. So I got these. I'm going to use them as picks or sticks in the tree and maybe a few on the garland just to tie the 2 together. But these were half price at Hobby Lobby. Regular price $3, so I paid $1.50 for each. I think I got 12 of them. So there you have it. They're just sticks and picks. Yeah. And since we're talking about the topper, I also got these. I got them, I sprayed this one already. I got it from Hobby Lobby and it was $5.99. So you can use it as a topper, you can use it in a garland, and you can actually put it up or down in your tree. So I think I only found 5 or 6 of them. I think one of them is in another stack, but I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I do know I'm going to use it. So I got 5 or 6 of these and they were $5.99 at Home Goods. But it's really pretty, has some glitter in it. It's really pretty, so that's that. I got those. And the glitter is just falling everywhere. So here is the ribbon. Now, I bought this one last year and this one last year. So this is the mint green and this one is the mint green, or I would say it's closer to the Tiffany blue. I got this last year. I'm almost thinking I got it from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I don't know, but it's double-sided and I got one of these. All of it is in the same color family. Then I have the one that's transparent. All right, and then this one is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so that's that one. And then you can also, if it shows a little bit on the other side, that would be fine. You can twist it. It does have the wire in it. Now, I'm not a good bow maker, so I do like for my ribbon to have wire in it because I'm not like the best bow maker. I got this as well as this from a boutique, a furniture boutique, and this one is closer to the Tiffany blue. So we're gonna have these kind of flowing through as much as I can with what I'm working with. If I don't have enough, I do know they had some more of these, so I can go back and get some more just to add a little more drama to the tree. So this does have the wire in it too, and you know that wire really do help us out. Help me out. All right, and I think that is all the items that I recently purchased for this room. Oh, I forgot, I have 2 packages that came. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm going to open them on camera if that's okay. They're for the bathroom, so you get to see these items with me. So let me go ahead and grab them and I'll be right back and open them over here. It's the wallpaper. Can you see that? Let me show you. See it? Yeah. This is, so these are some shelves that I'm going to be adding to the bathroom. Just an FYI, I chose the ones with the black bottom. I didn't want the ones that were completely covered with mirror because I don't want to see a reflection of the items below the shelf. All right, everyone, I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already and you like videos like these, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget, I still have to show you all the items that I purchased for the living room and dining room in that Christmas haul as well. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.